Today, I'll show you how to drag and drop images to the draw.io canvas from a browser. First, open draw.io in your browser. You may also see it called diagrams.net. Open the diagram you want to edit, or create a new blank diagram. Once the editor is open, keep your draw.io canvas ready on the screen. Now, open another browser tab and find the image you want to use. This can be an image from a website, an image search result, or another online source. When you find the image, click and hold on it. While still holding your mouse button, drag the image toward the draw.io tab. Move your cursor over the draw.io tab and wait for the tab to open. Then drag the image onto the canvas and release your mouse button. If the image is supported, draw.io will place it directly on the canvas. You can now resize the image by dragging the corners. You can also move it anywhere on the page by clicking and dragging it. If drag and drop does not work, try copying the image instead. Right-click the image in your browser and choose Copy Image. Then go back to draw.io and press Ctrl-V on Windows or Command-V on Mac. The image should paste onto the canvas. If that still does not work, save the image to your computer first. Then go back to draw.io, click Insert, choose Image, and upload the saved file. You can also drag the saved image file from your computer directly onto the draw.io canvas. After adding the image, you can arrange it with your diagram. For example, you can place it beside a shape, use it as a reference, or connect it with arrows. If the image is too large, resize it so your diagram stays clean and easy to read. Also remember to use images that you have permission to use, especially if your diagram will be shared publicly or used for work. So, to keep it simple, open draw.io, find an image in your browser, drag it onto the draw.io tab, drop it on the canvas, and adjust the size. And that's how you drag and drop images to the draw.io canvas from a browser. Hope the tutorial was helpful. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.